Empi! Empi! What's up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. My name is Jason Leung. In today's lesson, we're learning Kata Enpi. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So starting off like always, you're gonna take your bow, os. Now from this position to get into yoi, you're gonna bring your feet together. Your left hand's gonna draw back in an open hand. Right fist goes across your body, leaving just the tips of your fingers extended beyond. From here, this is yoi. Okay, first move, you're gonna imagine a kick coming straight down the line towards you. So you're gonna drop down on your knee, block off to an angle. You wanna steer off the center line. Okay, you don't wanna slam your knee into the floor and you don't want to angle off your head out of alignment. Keep upright and just move your body out of the way. Now from here, you're gonna pop up, bring your hands to chamber position, your right hand on top, left hand in hikite. Your gaze is still to the 45-degree angle. Now from here, you're gonna do downward block with your right leg and right hand. Okay, ready? Ich. Okay, from here, after you do the block, okay, this is Zenkutsudachi. You're gonna shift into Kibadachi, horse stance, and then land with Kagizuki. Okay, this is hook punch. Now from here, we're gonna go down the middle, Girambarai, downward block. Now if you notice my hips, okay, they're at an angle, 45 degrees, not square, not fully to the side. Just locked and loaded. Now from this position, you're going to do a Agezuki, rising punch. So instead of punching straight to the face, okay, from Hamni position, hips loaded back, you're gonna swing upwards, okay? Right under your opponent's chin. So from ich, knee. Okay, this one you wanna go Yaku Hamni, okay? Reverse hips loaded back. You don't wanna land square like this. Not here, here, see? This is not full extension. Ich and knee right here, coming up. Now from here, you're gonna drive forward. You're gonna raise your right knee at the same time. Open your hand. Landing in Kosadachi, cross-legged stance. Okay, knees together. block or parry, strike. So from your cross-legged stance, you're gonna step back with your left leg and do downward block with your right hand. Keeping your eyes on your target without moving your hips up and without staying too straight. You want to evade your opponent. So from this position, without coming all the way up, you're just gonna shift your leg back, your left leg. So from here into another downward block, like so. Okay, not this. All right, stay compressed. From here, and now you repeat the first sequence, that leg drive and agezuki going to the back. So we're here, we go ni, san, shi. From this position, open your left hand. Drag your left leg to the 45-degree angle. Stay light on this foot, not heavy. Okay, light, almost like a cat stance. And notice my body didn't come up. Okay, this part is very difficult. Part of what makes this kata advance. Okay, all the weight is on my right leg. Now I'm gonna go reverse, kind of crescent kick, reverse circle, like so, here. 1, and land in kibadachi, horse stance. Okay, this position here, block up top. Your left hand is at a 45-degree angle. Eyes looking up top. Okay, now from this position, first kiai, you're gonna do forearm strike. At the same time, your right leg meets your left, and you are looking through the strike. Okay, try not to go like this, come up, or try not to bring your hand down. Okay, you want to strike and meet your hand up top. So from here, stay compressed, and then wind up, and then come out together. Compression here, double punch. Now from the double punch, you're gonna do the shutoke sequence going to the side. So from here, we go downward block, okay, hips in hamni, agezuki. Now instead of doing the leg drive, okay, you are gonna step forward, shutoke in kokotsudachi. Now you're gonna draw back, okay, feet all the way back together, wind up, and now from here, gyakuzuki, staying in kokotsudachi. Okay, now from here, step forward with your right leg, kokotsudachi. And then turn around, jion barai, agezuki. From agezuki, same sequence as the leg drive down the middle. Okay, from here, open, kosadachi, downward block, jion barai. Once you reach this position, you're gonna go age teisho uke, rising palm block to the 45-degree angle. From here, knee. Okay, reverse, feet come about hip width apart, stay compressed, and switch. And you do this 2 more times down the middle. So go Try to time your hands and your feet together. Watch. Knee. And now from here, we go kokutsudachi, jion barai. Hand draw back to chamber, catching the bow. Now my stance, this is fudodachi. Fudodachi is found in kata sochin, which is basically front stance and horse stance. But you combine it, shift forward. Now everybody's favorite part, the jump. Kiai in the air, 360, land and shutoke. Okay, from here, finish kokutsudachi shutoke. HEIAN. And now bow. Os. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm going to count it out for you guys step by step. So let's do it. Hey, take a bow. Os. Announce your kata. Enpi. 3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、1、2、3、4、お、はい、6、7、8、9、10、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、はい、1、はい、やめ、はい、なれ、おっす。